My name's Adrian Kat. I'm a dentist. My area is cosmetic dentistry and dental implants. I think the focus at the moment is, of course, giving someone a beautiful smile, but also we're able to actually replace a full set of teeth within a few days. I've known Gary actually since 2001. He was actually recommended from my brother-in-law. So I was asking my brother-in-law about financial planners, and at that time I was looking at, where I should invest money and things like that, and then Gary's name popped up. I think the most important thing is my life circumstances changed a lot over that period of time. So he very much customised what he was actually doing for me when it comes to finances. I think the main thing is the refinancing part of it, because I'm heavily invested in different things. And I think secondly is just his advice. Having advice, someone that you can actually talk to, call, and just ask some questions, whether it's to do with estate planning or whether it's due to loans or acquisitions or anything like that. He's always there as a kind of a advisor to actually help when it comes to making those final hard financial decisions. I think the most important thing is everyone's so different, everyone's risk profile is quite different and what they actually want. So to have someone that can kind of give you advice on all different aspects. It's not just about putting your money into a portfolio or into a share portfolio. So it's really about what are all the different areas that you can actually go into. But I think also that estate planning and protection of your assets is actually very important.